Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time, but your girl is back and it's back for good. Anyways, let's get into this video. So into this video, we're installing this beautiful bob that I got from Amazon. You won't believe this price. This price was amazing. This wig was $44 plus tax, 44 something. And it came the next day. I ordered it and it came the next day, literally. But anyways, let's get back to the video. Okay, so this wig is 13 by 4 and it is 12 inches. I didn't have to do nothing. I no cutting, no nothing. And it did come pre-plucked, but you know, I like to give it an extra pluck because I like to give it scalp. It has to give scalp, you know. So anyways, I did bleach the knots. I usually don't bleach my knots on my wigs, but I need to stop being lazy and actually, you know, bleach my knots. So I bleached the knots, and then of course I use foundation as well. But anyways, now we're installing the wig. Okay. So we're installing the wig and we're going to be using our ebon spray. Oh my god, I cannot speak today. Our ebon spray, and that's what we're gonna be using today. So look at me installing the wig. Look at that. If that's not giving scalp, I don't know what is. Honestly, I do not know what is. Look at that. So now back to my favorite part, which is styling. Like, my favorite part of wig installing is styling the wig, because that's just the fun part, you know. So right now I'm just trying to give it a middle part because that's what we're going for. We're going for a middle part, and yeah, just watch me define this part and watch me flat iron this wig, and I will see you guys towards the end. Bye. Honestly, I did not like how the spray made it look at the end. It just left a lot of residue, which I need to take care of. But anyways, after literally putting a bunch of powder, I decided to just use my foundation, which gave it this look. Literally scalp. This is given scalp. I don't know. This is the best install I've ever did ever, because this is literally given scalp. I can't. This is literally chef kiss, okay? But anyways, I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this install. I decided not to do baby hair, but I am loving it. Let me know what you guys think. Bye.